Hey friends, SmartDrive welcomes you in the special episode where you can upgrade your door frame with new carbon fiber finish. Hey friends, welcome to another episode of SmartDrive. This is your host Vishwajit. In today's episode, we are installing this carbon fiber tape on our door frame, which is already damaged due to shoe marks. So we are going to cover all the installation in this video. So first and foremost thing, you need a good quality tape. The purchase links are available in the description. So this is basically a rubber tape which is washable, removable, reusable as well. So this is the tape, we have unboxed it. As you can clearly see, the width is really a big matter. While selecting the tape, we need to wipe out all the dirt and the surface need to be very clean before installation. So as you can clearly see, the marks are available over here, will be vanished in few minutes. We need to pull out this safety tape and reveal the tape behind this. As you can clearly see, there is a transparent tape available for safe installation. So direct sticking is not possible with the tape. So will get us some space during installation. We need to measure it. After measuring it, we have cut the tape as per required length. And now we need to taper these edges so we'll get a smooth finish. We'll have a second try. Yes, this is looking quite good. And for this, we need both the edges with the same curvature. So we are matching this curvature by just folding it out. As you can clearly see, you need to cut it precisely to have the same finish on both the edges. So we have cut it out, and right now you can see both the ends are looking similar. So we have done with the cutting. Right now we need to check the exact installation length and how you can install it. After checking it, you have this transparent tape. You need pull a little bit part of it to start with. The initial part is stick to the door frame, and now we need to pull out this transparent tape to check and align the remaining tape properly. Now I have aligned the tape, and please follow these procedures to continue sticking the tape on the door frame as shown in this video. So this was quite simple DIY technique for making your door frame more attractive. So previously this was quite irritating due to the shoe marks and scratches, but now it is good with the carbon fiber finish. Thanks for watching. This is Vishnu signing off from SmartDrive.